Hello, today is Friday, May 15th. Today for math, there will be no new learning, but what you will do is take time to look at the grade book and make sure that you have these 5 assignments here completed and uploaded into Schoology. You will find these 5 assignments located in last week's folder, May 5th through the 9th, and this week's folder, May 11th through the 15th. For Woods Runner, there will also be no new learning, but you need to make sure that you are caught up through chapter 17. Also, I've noticed a lot of missing response journals. If you have not responded to a discussion thread or a response journal, please make sure that you are caught up to chapter 17 by Monday. In James Fortin today, we will be taking an assessment. Make sure you use what you remember and know about making sure that you provide evidence to back up and support your answers. So provide evidence from each chapter to help support your response journal. For your writing journal, you have a minimum of 3 journal entries this week. Make sure that they're all uploaded into your discussion thread. In social studies, there is again no new learning this week. You are putting all of your time and energy into your science project for Simple Machines. This science project is due on Wednesday of next week, where we will share out our projects. I did give you a couple extra days, so make sure you're ready to share out on Wednesday. And you will find all of that information in the Simple Machines projects, May 11th through the 15th. This week, thank you to Autumn and Allie who took on the TikTok challenge. So make sure that you watch their videos and vote for Autumn and Allie. Lastly, our face-to-face meetings will be just our live lesson this afternoon, small group live lesson at 1, where I will be meeting with Selah, Emmett, Riley, Ernell, Autumn, and Abigail. And my office hours today are open between 10:30 and 11:30. See you then.